guys, it's Jasmine here with Pink and Maine. I'm going to do a walkthrough of our August Crafty Courtyard box. So the box this month is called Fruit Salad. So you'll see on our postcard here, we've got the month and then the kit name and a short description of the box, and then a list of all of the items that are contained inside the box and our colorway for this month. You get 6 pieces of cardstock every month. So this month we've got a teal, a pink, embossed polka dot pink, an orange, a green, and a nice lemon yellow, and then 2 pieces of white Ice Rink 110-pound cardstock. Quite a few of the elements in our kit this month are really good for shaker cards. So we've included a sheet of 9x6 acetate to make your shaker windows. We've got our project bag that is included in every kit as well. And our stamp this month is little fruit pieces. So it's actually a layering stamp. So the pieces here are layers, so you can stamp the base of, like the apple, you could do the base and then the outline and the stem and the leaf in different colors so that you can get a more realistic look. This month we've also got a die, and these cut little labels and they're super cute. And they actually fit in with our stamps. So once you die cut the labels, the sentiments fit inside of it perfectly. We've got 4 white envelopes, and then the paper this month. So the 6x6 paper pad is called Summer Splash, and it is beautiful. So we've got bright, just happy patterns with some really nice ombres in there and some really nice stripes. So we did some ombres to give you the effect of like an ink blended background with quite a bit less work. So there's a really nice pink one there. Got some smaller patterns, nice honeycomb. Like there's a chevron ombre. And then this beautiful rainbow that I'm so excited to see what you guys create with this one. And as I was saying before, the shaker element. So these are cute little fruit pieces. Just love these. They're super flat, so they're not going to add any bulk to your cards. But they're just cute little fruit-shaped pieces. And we've also got some yellow sequins, and they've got a little bit of an iridescence to them. So in the light, they kind of look different colors. Some nice neon rhinestones to add a little bit of sparkle. Some hot pink twine. And then these teensy little tassels. And I love these. They're so cute. Also got a Wow embossing powder. So this one is called Primary Marshmallow. And it's just a bright, vibrant pink here. And then as always, our little flare badge. So this one says Squeeze the Day. So cute. All right, so that is our kit for this month. If you're not already a subscriber, we'd love to have you. Just go to our website, pinkandmaine.com, and subscribe. You'll get this month's kit as your first, and then you'll be subscribed to receive every kit after. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.